Did you know that the air you breathe is nearly 80% nitrogen, yet most living organisms cannot use it directly? Welcome to our journey into the nitrogen cycle, a hidden dance of nature that transforms inert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that nurture life. Today, we will unravel this complex yet fascinating cycle, exploring each step in simple, clear terms to reveal how it supports everything from the tiniest microbe to the largest forest. At its core, the nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process that converts nitrogen into several chemical forms. Although almost 78% of our atmosphere is composed of nitrogen gas, it exists in a largely inaccessible state for most living organisms. The question then becomes, how do plants, animals, and even us get the nitrogen we need to build essential molecules such as amino acids, nucleic acids, and proteins? This is where the nitrogen cycle reveals its true importance. The journey begins with nitrogen fixation. In this critical process, atmospheric nitrogen, N2, is converted into a form that living organisms can use, such as ammonia, NH3. Nature employs several techniques to achieve this. Certain bacteria, residing in the roots of legumes or floating freely in soil, perform biological nitrogen fixation. They work silently but efficiently, transforming inert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia that plants can absorb. In addition to microbial work, natural phenomena like lightning and even industrial methods such as the Haber-Bosch process contribute to this initial transformation. Imagine an invisible hand reaching into the sky and gently sculpting a nutrient for life. It is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Next comes nitrification, a two-step aerobic process that relies on specialized bacteria. Initially, bacteria like Nitrosomonas convert ammonia into nitrites, NO2 meners, a compound that, while still not ideal for plant nutrition, sets the stage for further change. Following this, Nitrobacter bacteria convert those nitrites into nitrates, NO3-men, the form most readily absorbed by plant roots. This conversion is essential because it makes the nitrogen accessible for assimilation into a plant's cellular structure, thereby fueling growth and development. Every leaf and stem silently testifies to the importance of this microscopic manufacturing process. As we move forward, assimilation occurs. This stage marks the point where plants take in the newly formed nitrates or ammonium ions and integrate them into their tissues. Through assimilation, the nitrogen becomes part of the organic molecules that are the building blocks of life, including the proteins and nucleic acids found in every cell. It is a moment where the magical conversion from inert gas to a vital life force is fully realized, a testament to the power of natural processes working subtly yet powerfully beneath our feet. The cycle continues with ammonification, a process that turns the remnants of dead organisms and waste products back into ammonia. Here, decomposers such as bacteria and fungi break down complex organic material, returning nitrogen to the soil as ammonia once again. This step is a critical reminder that life and death are intertwined in the natural recycling system, each ending seeding the beginning of new life. Finally, denitrification completes the cycle by converting nitrates back into nitrogen gas, releasing it into the atmosphere. This anaerobic process, carried out by specialized bacteria, ensures that excess nitrogen does not accumulate in the soil, restoring balance and closing the loop. The atmospheric reservoir is replenished, ready to be fixed again, and the cycle continues in an ongoing, dynamic exchange. At each stage, from the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen to its return as a gas through denitrification, bacteria and plants collaborate in a delicate performance essential for sustaining ecosystems and agriculture. The process is not only a subject of academic fascination, but also a reminder of nature's intricate engineering and the critical role microorganisms play in supporting life. Understanding the nitrogen cycle is essential for appreciating how life thrives on Earth. Let's delve into this fascinating process together.